This is the subdivision info script. It helps out to identify the objects that need and don't need subdivisions. It allows to have predefined subdivisions by the modeler and non-defined that can be set. Actually, all of them can be set by the artist. He can also use it to store information about his subdivs. The script shows also elements that don't have any info on subdivisions. So, for example, for characters, we usually don't have any info on them, as they all has to be subdivision ready due to the normals. Due to that, it's a vertex based alembic later on used for rendering. So this is usually used for props that are being skinned, not being skinned but being constrained or parented. For any information for the script, just go here. You have hooked up tutorials.